This is one of the fanciest graduations we've ever had. You remember that last? You didn't have this record here. I didn't even know they made such a thing. But tonight it is my privilege to welcome 9 new graduate students after tonight in the square dancing. They've already been to your dances, a lot of them have, and been square dancing, trying a little bit. We got cheated out of a few lessons due to the floods and the water, and we had some times we couldn't. And it was hard to make it up and still get them graduated by Derby City Festival time, but I said, we're going to do it. So we did. They've been a good class, and we've got some pretty little girls, and got some good-looking women, and we got a couple of men in here, and I'm not going to say they're good-looking. In fact, one of them's got a gray beard, and his brother had a black beard last Saturday night, but it returned to gray also. But they have been very, very good class, and I appreciate them very much. In this day and time, if you can add people to our activity, when I was just thinking last night that I would believe that since I've been square dancing, which is about 12 years, that we have probably lost 70 some odd clubs in this KSDA area, because there was 128 in it then, and a lot of the ones have folded, but new ones like ourselves, we're only 10 years old, and we've had a lot of new clubs that have already come and gone. So if you added them all up, there's probably 65 or 70 clubs that we've lost in the last 10 to 12 years, and that's not very good. We're losing more than we're keeping, so we're proud of the privilege of adding to our square dance activity. And to keep it short and simple tonight, I have a pledge here written out, which is, it's way too long. I'm going to simplify that and shorten it, abbreviate it very quickly. I want you to raise your right hand or your left hand, whichever one. And I want you to repeat after me these words. Keep your hand up, Pam. Repeat after me these words. I promise to have a good time square dancing. And I promise to bring a lot of food to the square dancing so Charles won't get hungry.
I promise.
Come on, I'm looking. And I think that's enough said. See, I cut that speech down quite considerable there.
But left in the most important part.
Put the most important. I want you to have fun, and I want you to support the club and not just our club, but go visit other clubs. They appreciate you coming down to Sunnyside and Daffy Dancers and BG's and all those other clubs. They enjoy you coming over there and things like that. Ins and Outs and all those kind of places. They enjoy all of you coming. Well, one time I guess there's been 1 or 2 people that went somewhere and they weren't enjoying being there or something, especially if they ate a lot too much. But that's it. I'm not going to make a big speech because we got a lot of people here and we want to dance. But I do want to introduce all of you to all those people out yonder. So here's the way we're going to do it. And I told you there would be no silly stuff tonight, see? I told you it would be brief and quick.
Don't count on it.
I want you to turn around now and face that way. Linda, come up here and get back into square dancing. She thought we were a pretty good group to be with, so she just didn't know it well enough yet. She had us order for bad. Welcome.
You mean nobody else put up?
Welcome, Linda Pierce. Yes, graduated somewhere, I hope. So that's sort of the token, man. I can't say those things. Thank you very much. Now this, is that all of those out of there? Steve, double check me on that. Okay, get it out for me. I'll just read these as we come off to the top here. If you know who you are, you just raise your hand. April. Money man. She is the least one in our class, but she smiles a lot. And with her smiling, she has big smiles.
She's gonna kick you, watch that foot.
No, she's not. I have her little badge here.
Go ahead, kick.
April is one of my special friends, aren't you?
See that, Charlie? Let me see that.
This is, how old are you? She said she's 70 years old. I didn't know you were older than I am. But did you dance with any of these people around here tonight? You don't count. Go back there. And take your badge with you. I gave you your badge, didn't you? Give a hand to April. Bring them up here. Help me out. I haven't got 13 hands. Give her the diploma to her. It says, or you can give the badges and I'll read the diploma. Next, I'm just going to... Well, mine's not in the same order. Yours is. Okay, that's a big diploma now in the frame. Who's next? Well, see, yours is not in the same order, mine. We've got to make him say his speech. Run your speech.
Send him back.
Mark. This young fellow learned very quickly, and he's been doing a really good job of square dancing. Pam, come up here. Pam almost was a dropout class. In fact, I thought we was going to have to throw her out 2 or 3 times. But, you know, we all bit our tongue and we refused to throw her out of class. Actually, all that I'm saying is not really true. She knows that. But I tell you what, she is a character. So when you get to know her and you get the square dancing where she probably pulls some jokes on you, some tricks on you. And I think that she thinks that they're going to pull some tricks on me after a while. And she thinks that she'll get away with it. But her name is Pam Pridemore, and next year Jean Pridemore, her husband's going to take lessons too. Welcome, Pam.